Good morning. It is Saturday and I'm gonna bring you along with us on the goings on around our property. My husband is working on getting, I guess we could call it a chicken paddock set up so that it's gonna have a fence and we can move the chicken coop into it, and then the chickens will have more room to roam. We had them just with a small run right near the chicken coop for a while, and we did that because we wanted them to get acclimated to the chicken coop, know that that's their home, and so when we give them more area to roam, that they'll not run away. They'll come back to the coop in the evening when it's time for bed. I was gonna go check on what Daddy's doing. Oh. What are you doing?
I'm doing good.
You're doing good?
Yeah.
Good. Just checking on what you're doing. Looks pretty awesome.
Gate.
Chicken gate. Is this the scandal of the year? Chicken gate?
Yep. There you go.
It's dusty in here.
That's high praise.
Feels good to have the kitchen somewhat tidied. Since it's Saturday and my husband is home during the day today, I'll probably make a bigger lunch than dinner. Are you eating chicken food?
No.
Oh.
I'm just.
Any eggs, Renee?
No.
No eggs yet?
Oh, yeah. I was curious because one was right in front of you. So I
Yeah.
Megan just got out after it laid an egg.
Yeah, no egg yet. Maybe Daddy's mowing is disturbing them. What you doing? You're what? You're riding the quad. You're not pressing any buttons, are you? Remember, Daddy said you can sit on it, but not press the buttons.
I'm just holding it.
Just holding the handles. Good job. Are you in a quad race?
Yeah. No, I'm
Why not? I just mean you pretending. You're pretending to be in a quad race, right? Yeah. That's so awesome.
Those wheels are not driving.
No, they're not. You're not quite big enough to drive the wheels. To make the wheels go.
Yeah. I'm really small. Now I have to turn on buttons.
Yeah, you're too small for that. But don't worry, you'll get bigger.
I eat food, I get bigger.
You eat food and you get bigger. What kind of food helps you get bigger and stronger? You know.
Protein.
Protein, that's right.
And a fruit.
And fruit. Yeah, protein and fruit. Real good for a boy. Yes?
Next doing the floaty.
No, you brought the killer whale. The kids are getting in a before lunch swim here. For lunch, I'm going to cook up these chicken thighs in the air fryer. I'm going to cook some bacon in the oven, and then we're just going to have some of these veggies from the garden that were picked last night and this morning. Let's see, I have another cucumber in the fridge that I need to use before this one. So I'll slice that up for fresh eating, and then I'll probably air fry the green beans and the zucchini after I cook the chicken, and then all the yummy chicken goodness will get onto the veggies and they'll be delicious. I have a little bit of coconut aminos to use up, so I'm going to use those as well as some onion salt and some black pepper. Go help clean up your mess, please. Levi, go help clean up your mess, please. You say yes, Mom. You say yes, Mom. What am I making first?
Yeah.
Chicken in the
Oh,
air fryer.
I read this.
That's cucumbers. Would you like to eat one?
No.
No? You love cucumbers.
Mom didn't put two tomatoes.
That's part of a zucchini.
Oh.
You could try it. It's the end of the zucchini.
That.
You gonna try it?
What is this itty part?
Yeah, the little stem is kind of hard, or the little, end where the flower was. But the green part is good. What do you think?
I'm good.
Okay.
I like this one.
Yeah, the cucumbers are the best.
Mom did it in some big wheels.
Big wheels.
Two ones.
2 ones. How is it?
I'm good.
Very juicy? Are they very juicy?
Yeah, I eat it juicy with.
Yeah, oh, finish a bite. You don't want to fill your mouth too full.
Mom made wheel.
Oh, nice.
Mom made wheel for bait.
Oh, for a bite. I see.
Mom, that's him.
Wow.
Mom, and then did the butter on there.
A bucket?
Yeah, I made it.
What is it?
Bite.
A bike?
Yeah.
Oh, looks delicious. Are you gonna eat it?
I eat this big part.
Okay. You're very silly. Oh my goodness.
Well, did it right there. Well, right there. No. There it is. I'm spinning it, Mom.
It's so cool. It is very, very hot.
Mom, I like those tall.
Yeah. What is that called?
Bacon. Bacon? Making bacon? Oh, that's so good.
It's the best mom ever, right?
Mom,
Chicken,
that
bacon, and veggies.
Yeah, yum! It got off.
What?
They cooled off right there.
No, they're still hot.
Oh.
Even then, you have to be very careful around that. It will hurt you.
So there's our new chicken area. We looked at all kinds of different poultry netting and fencing options, and there's some really cool movable poultry netting that you can get, but we felt like with our property that it's not like we have lots of pastures that we're going to be moving them around on. We want more permanent areas, more than one permanent area, so we can move them from one to another. And the coop is on wheels, so we can move the coop too. And we figured that we could make some animal areas like this that will be suitable for goats as well once we get those, because that's the next order of business around here. I don't know when it's going to happen, but that's what we want to do next. The next farm animal. So that egg you found earlier, was that the first one that you got to get out of the chicken coop?
Yes.
That's exciting. You've been checking every day.
It's my second time.
Oh, it is? Oh, good.
Because I got one.
You got one the other day?
No, not the other day, a few days ago.
A few days ago, yeah. Yeah, Talia is the egg whisperer. She always knows when there's an egg in there. And she goes and checks it, huh? Mm-hmm. But you got to turn finally. Twice.
Yeah.
And the cool thing about these kind of chickens is that they each lay just one color of egg. So you can know which chicken laid it by what color the shell is. So 2 of the chickens are on the whiter side and 1 of them is on the bluer side. And we're going to be excited to see what color these 2 juvenile chickens lay.
It's dark blue, light blue, and white.
Yeah, it's kind of like a darker blue, a grayish, bluish gray, and then a whiter, the lightest one. All right, are we ready to let the chickens see their new area?
Yep.
Be free, kind of.
Tal, you want to go open the door? How about go get the juvenile chickens and put them in here? And then the big chickens will get jealous and they'll come out.
Yeah, that's a good idea. There we go.
Oh, you got it, Tal. Don't let it go.
Keep going.
Okay. You got it.
There, that one.
You got it.
Its wings are just...
Okay, just pick it up.
Can you scare this one over to me?
I just want to watch this one go in.
Let's just watch this one go in, Charity, then we'll get that one. You can do that one.
Oh, now they're coming out. They're coming out?
Yeah, I told you they would. Checking it out. Look at all that room to run. Look at all that grass and bugs to eat.
Be free with your friends.
There's your
Now
buddy.
can I go to the chair?
Yeah, go to the chair and watch.
Can I get inside the chair?
Enough room for everybody to get along.
You better get along. Charity, are you watching chicken TV?
Yes. They just have to be professional farmers.
Are you a professional farmer?
No.
No. You want to be a professional farmer?
Yes.
Yes. We're working on it.
Y-E-S.
What?
Y-E-S.
Oh, okay. We're working on it. Baby steps.
Oh, geez,
A little finch came in a while ago. Was hopping right up toward him. We were joking about it, thinking it was the littlest chicken.
Hey guys. Hey guys.
Trying to be part of
I'm
the
cool too.
fun.
I think they would like this.
I mean, to the finch, I mean, these chickens have got it made. They have people come and give them food every day. What did you do?
I done some drops on my fingers.
Why? How did that happen?
And I done
Look at me. What?
And I fell down in snow like that.
In the snow?
No.
You fell down where?
Maybe snow come downstairs.
Not right now. It's not winter time. Did you jump off the quad?
Yes.
And you were trying to jump in the snow?
No.
There's no snow.
I want the snow on our quad.
Snow on the quad.
Yeah.
Snowman.
That'd be amazing.
No snow left behind. Good job.
I stuck my pants on owie.
You got your pants on an owie?
Yeah. I raised my hand, Mom.
Yes, Levi?
I'll just jump your tweet.
Sure.